Hi, I'm Jason from The Property Insurer and I want to talk to you about shop insurance. Shop insurance covers any sort of retail premises, from the main street, high street, big retailers, supermarkets, right through to even just a little tiny small shop or a home eBay shop. What shop insurance will cover is everything from contents, buildings, stock, fixtures and fittings, anything that's to do with the business, public liability, professional liability, employer's liability, and even business interruption insurance. So if your business is shut down because of a fire, you'll still get paid as though you've been open and selling. Now, in order to get shop insurance, you can price compare through the Property Insurer. How you do that? Go on to propertyinsurer.co.uk. Once you go there, there's one form to fill in. It'll take you about 2 minutes. Once you've submitted that, 3 of the very best UK-based shop insurance experts will get in touch with you and they will compete for your business and make sure you get the very right policy at the best price. So, shop insurance through the Property Insurer, see how much you can save today.